Hello there. Welcome to Programming How To channel. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic, and that is extension method. Then we will see a demo in Visual Studio. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new video. So what is extension method? Suppose you have some XYZ class which has two methods. You need to add a new method in it, but you don't have access to its source code, or do not have permissions from the class definition, or the class is a sealed class, but you still want to add a method in it. This is the situation where you can add functionality in XYZ class using extension method. C# extension method is a static method which should be defined inside a static class and should contain at least one parameter, the first preceded by this keyword. The type of the first parameter will be the type that we want to extend. We are going to look at the sample code in the console application, so let's get started. Let's create a console application. Let's add a class library project to the solution. Let's add a class person. So here I have created an instance of person class and calling different methods class provides. So let's run this program. So this is the output as expected. Now I want person object to say hello. Since I have the code, I can go and add the function and recompile the library. Now I can call this function as well. Now just imagine for a moment that this person class does not exist within our project. This library is provided to us by some third party and we don't have access to its code, but we still want to add say hello function in this person class. So at this situation we will extend the type by creating an extension method. Let's add that. Let us compile the program. So we get compiler error O. Actually we forget to add this keyword in extension method. This keyword helps the compiler to identify the method as extension method. Now let us compile again. Let us run the program. So you see we have extended the type this person class without modifying the class source code. So this is how we extend the type or class in .NET using extension method. Thank you for watching. Please give your feedback in comments so that we can improve our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new video.